Hello, my name is Fawad, and in this lecture I will tell you that how you can play around with strings in the Python language. I will create a variable. I'm going to create a segment, and then in this segment I'm going to create a variable. If I save some text in the quotation, and I print this variable, you will see the actual string in the output, like you can see it over here. If I want to write it in multiple lines, what I will do, I will increase the number of quotation from 1 to 3, and then when I print it, it will be displayed in 3 different lines. I can add further lines. You can see that multiple different lines display the string in the Python output. Now I have stored a single word subscribe in variable a, and if I write over here 3 and I run the code, it will tell me that the third variable is b. This is third variable is s. If I write over here 0, it tell me that the first index, the index position is 0, and the value that is stored over here is an alphabet s. If I write over here 1, it will tell me that at the index 1 the string alphabet which stored in variable a is u. Similarly, I can play around with this. Tell me that from the index 0 to index 4, the variables, the alphabets which are stored at from index 0 to 4 are subs. If I write 7 over here, this is from index 0 to 7, these are stored. Now again, if I write over here 1, you can see ubs, ub and s, these three are stored over these indexes from index 1 to index 3. All these alphabets have been displayed. The index 4 value will not be displayed. If I write it 67, it will give me an error, and the error is that nothing is stored over there, so all the things are empty. There is no in the end. Okay, now I will tell you that how you can create loop with the help of string. I run this. Oh, which is missing is the single colon. You can see that it show me that 2 3 4 and it has displayed it for multiple times. Now again you can see that it will display each output in a single line, and if I write over here 3, then it will give me an error. I should write over here 0 and it doesn't give me an error.